Hi, in this video we're going to cover Amazon insurance. So this has always been a requirement for Amazon sellers, but recently Amazon have started to push back and actually force sellers to show their insurance policy meets Amazon's. And the policy changes slightly now and then, so it's best just to check in Amazon exactly what the limits are, copy and paste that and use that to give to your insurer. If you're in the USA, so you have a USA LLC or your main business is the US, then you can use one of Amazon's insurance partners, and this makes it really easy to get quotes and get your insurance sorted because they understand Amazon's process. You just put in some details about your sales, your products, and then they'll quickly insure your business. If your business is based outside the USA and you're selling in the USA, you can't use these guys at the time of this video. Maybe later they'll accept overseas sellers, but at the moment, USA-based insurance people are only accepting US-based companies, which makes it difficult. If you're in China, there's also providers there for you, which Amazon has partnered with. But if you're in the rest of the world, you're kind of left to find your own insurance provider. And so what I recommend is in the country where your company is registered, look for e-commerce insurers, copy and paste the Amazon requirements into an email, the $1 million coverage and then the $10,000 minimum. And after that, you should be able to get some quotes. I mean, we did it for companies overseas. In certain markets, Hong Kong, we managed to solve. And then in Europe, local insurance people were able to quote as well. And the premium really depends on your revenue and the products you sell. Some products, if they're kind of hazardous, dangerous a little, many insurers will just reject you. You just have to keep looking. Ask around in the Facebook groups, ask around for people who have insured in the same country as you, and you should be able to find it. It took us quite a lot of work to find our insurance provider, but we managed to do it thanks to the help of someone else who did it in the same country as well. So if you're not in America or you're not in China, then this may be difficult for you. But if Amazon have requested it, you've got 30 days to find it. So you've got to reach out to everyone that can potentially cover you. Look at also Shopify insurance, e-commerce insurance. If you Google those and your country name, e.g. Shopify Insurance UK, you should be able to find someone who's willing to cover you. Are you looking to grow your Amazon business? Zillionaire is the best Amazon metrics software. It has dozens of great features, including real-time profit and loss, inventory management, Amazon PPC ad optimization, custom dashboards, and much, much more. Head on over to zillionaire.com and sign up today. The link is in the description below.